Industrial downtime got you down? Let Lenze products in Bangladesh power your turnaround. At Wave Engineering BD, we're not just any automation service provider. We're the authorized system integrator and support partner for Lenze products in Bangladesh, offering 100% authentic solutions with unparalleled expertise. From inverter repairs to comprehensive industrial automation projects, our skilled technicians and engineers ensure your operations run smoothly and efficiently. Need a quick fix? Our repair services guarantee faster turnaround times, eliminating costly downtime and getting you back on track. In the textile industry, Wave Engineering BD specializes in textile automation, weaving efficiency into your operations with Lenze's top-notch solutions. And it's not just textiles. We provide turnkey electrical solutions for any process plant, big or small. Our expertise doesn't stop at repairs. We offer local product troubleshooting, pre- and post-sale support, and complete industrial automation project management. Whether it's an AC/DC drive, HMI, PLC, or a servo drive, you can trust us to handle it all with precision and care. So why choose us? With our deep understanding of Lenze products, we're committed to delivering the highest quality repairs and services, ensuring your instruments are up and running within the standard time. Your automation journey simplified. Partner with Wave Engineering BD and transform your industry today with Lenze's expert solutions, Lenze Power, local support. Because when it comes to industrial automation, we've got you covered. Contact us now to see how we can optimize your operations and drive your business forward with Lenze products in Bangladesh. Let's get started.